Hi! In this video I will show you how you can extremely cheaply and easily go from this to this. Hardly costs anything. It's just too good to be true. Let's go. This is the before shot. This is the setup that I've had for 3-4 weeks now. 2 puny lights that cost me almost $100 or 1,000 Swedish crowns. Most of the seeds that I've sown haven't come up yet, just a few of them. It struck me that I needed more lights anyway, because if and when the seeds do germinate and sprout, I will need to plant them on in bigger pots. So I needed more lights anyway. I started looking around and I found I didn't find that many to begin with. The ones I did find were very expensive. They cost between 200 and 500 or even more than that dollars. So 2,000 to 5,000 Swedish crowns. And they weren't much bigger than these ones, and they were built into cumbersome structures, which I didn't want. I just wanted a big light. And eventually I found it. And I will now mount it in the ceiling, and then I will show you the after shot, and you will be amazed, I think, as I was. Some difference, eh? So, this light I bought from a industrial wholesaler that I found after I got so frustrated with just finding puny, expensive, bulky lights. But then I found this industrial seller. So as I told you before, these two lights cost me almost $100. This big one cost me just over $20. That is just laughable. And if I would have bought a corresponding light with the same specs, the same size, from any of the garden companies or specialized companies that I first searched, that would have cost me at least 10 times as much, at least. And the specs are perfect. It's 50 watts, it's 6,230 lumens, it's 150 centimeters long, it has a spread angle of 120 degrees, and the color temperature is 6,500 Kelvin, just as it should be. That's daylight. And as I said, $20. This IKEA hack up here, that was the absolutely cheapest way of hanging it, and also I can move it from side to side. So I will, when I have to replant the seedlings, I will probably put them here, and I will change things so that I have seedlings all over here. And I think the light can be almost at this height with pots here, this height, and it will cover the whole. That's 1 meter wide. So 2 square meters at least of daylight. So that's some difference. And I really hope you can find something similar, because I will never buy lights from a specialized grow light company again. As you can see here, a bit of a hack. You should really have an electrician to do this kind of thing for you, but it's such an easy thing to do, so nothing can happen, especially not now when I've isolated it. So I hope you haven't bought any expensive grow lights lately, but if you're in the market now, go find an industrial wholesaler, and you can make 90% bargains, 90% off. At least that's my experience. If you have similar experiences or other experiences, please leave a comment. I would love to know. This feels like a cheat. I can't believe it's real. It's just too good to be true. So please let me know. Thank you.